Today we are going to make clap roti. In my bowl is 6 cups of flour. To the flour we are going to add 3 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and mix together and make a well in the center. Then starting with 2 1/4 cups of water, pour water into the flour mixture to make a dough. If needed, add additional water to the dough and start kneading. If the dough is too tough and sticky, add a small amount of flour at a time to the dough and knead until the dough is no longer sticky and put aside to rest for a few minutes. Now we have to divide the dough into portions. Make a log and divide the dough into small portions. Make 10 equal portions. Now we are ready to oil the dough. Stretch the dough with your fingers, put on your work surface and add flour to it and take your rolling pin and roll the dough thinly. Then take 1 teaspoon of oil, spread it all around the dough. And a pinch of flour and sprinkle around the dough and fold the dough as I'm doing. Now that all the portions are ready, we are ready to cook the roti. I like using a frying pan to cook the roti, but before turning on my stove, I like to prepare a few dough. Stretch the dough with your fingers and sprinkle with flour and roll thinly using your rolling pin. Now we're ready to cook the roti. You'll need oil and a pastry brush. Our pan is now hot, so we'll add the roti to the pan and let it cook for a few seconds. You can use your hand or a spatula and turn the roti around so it cooks evenly. Then using your hand or spatula, flip the roti over and using your pastry brush, add oil all around the roti. Then use your spatula, flip the roti over and add oil all around again and let it cook until it's lightly brown. Flip once more and cook all around and press the edges to make sure the edges are also cooked. Now that the roti is ready, the roti is almost ready. I like using paper towel to clap the roti because it can be hot to the bare hands. So you clap the roti. So this is your clap roti. There's another way to clap the roti, so to speak. When the roti is ready, you put it in a plastic jug, cover the jug, and shake, shake, shake for a couple of seconds. Take it out, and this is your roti. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.